Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover Tinder account after deleting, or you can also call it how to restore Tinder account. Once you delete your Tinder account by selecting delete your account and give all the reasons, after that what will happen, you will be logged out from Tinder account permanently. So what you have to do after deleting your account, you have to click sign in once again, either from Google, from Facebook, or anything else. If you signed up using Google account, you have to sign up again with the same email address with that same Google account. Select that Google account with which you have signed up before. What you have to do, you have to give your phone number once again, and you have to go through the sign up process step by step as you have created your previous account. But the drawback is you cannot recover or restore any of the previous data, any of the previous messages. It will be just like you have created a brand new account. You can create a new account with that same email, but you cannot recover the previous account by signing up again with the same email. So I will type in the phone number and after signing up once again, and that's how to recover your Tinder account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.